So guys, this amazing premium quality thermos mug with a zipper lid for less than $3 or 200 rupees is a super great deal. For more information, watch the whole video. So how are you people? I'm back again with another new video. And in today's video I've brought this amazing camera lens thermos mug for you guys and we're gonna unbox and review this. So let's hop into the video. So here it is, the packaging looks simple, made out of zigzag cardboard. Look what it says over here. Canem. Haha, nice way to avoid copyright infringement. Ooh, another packaging. It's a heat seal. Let's freaking open this. It is amazing. Build quality is super premium, totally unexpected in this price range. It is hard plastic with mesh or green type texture. They have given so many detailing, as you can see over here. Here are these real looking sliders, but they are actually rubber grips to hold it perfectly. It's a pretty heavy mug. I have purchased this one with 400 ml capacity. There are a lot of mugs available like this. Some are with self stir, but they cost a lot, around 15 to 1600 rupees. And one is cheaper, which cost only 180 rupees, but it is without metal isolation. And even some shows they are thermos mugs, but people are receiving without isolation. So if you want to purchase, use the links I have provided in the description. Well, let's move forward. It's the insulation I was talking about. Let's open the zipper nozzle. Wow, it seems perfect, cause this design over here helps to drink without spilling aside. Let's now remove the lid. Wow, it's amazing. It has this perfect insulation. It will help you to keep your beverages hot or cold by maintaining the temperature. So overall, I just love this mug and will recommend it to everyone. It even looks super cool on desk and while traveling. It's literally something unique you can purchase in a price range of 200 rupees. So it's time for me to end the video. I hope you liked it. If you really do subscribe for more such videos and share this video if you want to support us. Well, thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.